A few moments later. 2,000 years later. One eternity later.
Hayat Radio.
Yes, you already know.
Yes.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
But me can't find nothing for torture the people them board. Because as me look, I just progress within foot in the people them neck.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Me like Alkaline. Cause Alkaline do the song say pussy, 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 pussy. But a long time old people have said that say all DJ them sing is pussy, 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 and the man just take care and put that one song. Me like him. Me like him. He might look alike. You know, look alike from Get There Squad.
I don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Detta boss represent fully.
People are gone, you don't know one Media Fox when you happen. Yeah man, you know what things it. So people, I tell you say I'm gonna post a video over TikTok, people. I tell you, Jano, I think the last time I see it over like 58,000, maybe reach 60,000 views or something like that. I say, yo, I see people them like comment and the people them say, yo, Jano, them see the respect and the, you see me? Yeah man. You know, the artists them energy great. You see what I try to say? And you don't know over the years, Alkaline and Aidonia always do them thing based on shows and you understand, you don't know Alkaline, the book Aidonia for new rules, you see it? Yeah man, the artists them work a lot in the space, man. You see me, you don't know Aidonia did work on new rules and you don't know Alkaline go work back a fresh job. Aidonia show. You see me? Yeah man, cause you don't know Aidonia say when it come to him co-worker them, if them a keep a party, him not charge them. Him just do the show for free. That's just theme thing. You understand? Yeah, so you don't know Alkaline, you do back a favor for him. You see me, a roll dream party and thing. You see it, so I saw the artists them roll. You know, over the years people always say, yo, Alkaline rate nobody and all of them look at thing. There be a negative thing them put on the youth. You understand? But it's when you go around the youth, it's a different energy. And when people go around Alka, you can see it. You understand? But I'm going to see the video still. You see me? Yeah, man. The dog, them are real G. You see it? Yeah, man. Real G, man. I tell you people. Alka, let me tell you. You see more, most of the time, you see who rate Alka, and if them perform at the show, and them rate Alka, them are going to link Alka. Because them know Alkaline still. Alkaline is a youth where him not to run into people. You see me? And once you rate a youth, you are going to link him. You understand? Because you know how him stay already. You know the man they stay already. You see me? The man they move like a superstar. So I don't want to say, yo, I'm going to link the G. You see me? Heal him. In a boot and all of them little things. You see me? Yeah, man. Because you don't know. I don't know the youth now have nothing. It's a genuinely link, energy, everything. You understand? Yeah, man. I saw them youth stay. You see it? Yeah, man. So I just saw with the artists them. You see it? Alkaline is a youth way. Him energy, yeah, man. It's not normal. You see me? See Skippa, you know. Skippa go link him. You see me? I think at the first Skippa Alkaline a link up, you know. Yeah. I think at the first this. You see it? Yeah, man. Skippa go link Alkaline in a boot and thing and no say. Cause remember, you know. See, remember say Skippa them, you know. Skippa them a watch when Alkaline kick down the gate for them, you know. Remember that, you know, enough of the young youth them where you see, them rate Alkaline. You understand? I just true some of them just afraid and some of them now want to win at the politics and ray and them afraid to yo, I'm gonna link Alka, you know, them gonna start pre me. You understand? But enough of them see Alka as a youth where I do it, we show them the way say yo, you don't have to depend on nobody. You can't come do nothing and run the place. Cause remember what them a compare say yo Skippa the new Alkaline, you know. Yo dog, Jaja youth, I tell you. Jaja youth, yeah man, but you don't know Alkaline kick down the barrier there and say yo, you want young youths come run boy. Yeah. You understand? Yeah man. So you don't know a dog them link up and thing. But you don't know Stalk actually. Stalk and Alkaline do a collaboration already, you see me? Yo, Stalk is a fan of Alkaline. If you see how she move, she's a fan. Me I tell you that. When she there on Alkaline now, she nervous. Superstar. You see me? Just look how she a move. You understand? Yeah man. Happy. Me I tell her she happy. You see it? Yeah man, she happy man. A be a smile and thing and she rate Alkaline man. Me I tell you, she rate Alkaline. You know Alkaline is a cool youth. Me I tell you. I just how the internet paint a bad picture for Alkaline. Maybe some people them usually say, oh, Alkaline or the interview. And when people go around him and get a little clip. See him like this? Alkaline will give you a little snippet when him in a boot and way. You understand? But maybe give you just one person. He's not a person who just give you a bag of things. So you understand? Yeah, you get one. That's it. You see it? That's how Alka work. You see me? So you don't know Alka do a little small little interview with a girl. I think I don't know if I from in the US, you see me, but she followed the show Antigua last night and met them know what going. You understand? But you know she asked him about the NTP thing. MPT. You see me? Yo people my always I mess up that name, you know. NPT, yeah.
Yes, you already know. Yes. Right. Okay, so you got a new album out, right?
NPT.
Yes. And how do you like? How do people are receiving that album right now?
Yeah, man. Related, man, with all the reception, you know?
You get good reception.
Yeah, man, the people them love it, man. All I tracks them, man. Yeah, it's a reflection album. Yeah, of course, man. You know what I mean? The growth over the years is important. Yeah.
Okay, and our world, what that line about dead body on sidewalk like chic? What that one is about? Clarify, because I'm chic.
Chic. You know, chic, them man out in the fireplace, man. Yeah, man, wealthy.
Okay. So yes, I'm King Chic.
Yeah.
Yo, it's so funny, you know. Our world, we don't know that chat there. You understand? Yeah, man, go listen it, man. I hear the part when say Alkaline say chic. You see it? Yeah, man, people. When we watch a video, and for she pick out that line there, out of that, yo, people actually listen Alkaline music. Me I tell you. You see it? Them a listen Alkaline music. Yeah, man. Like, for she, as a member in our world, is like it's a neutral song, but my thing says she don't talk about girl good or masterpiece or, but our world, yo, she a listen. People are listen to the album. It shocked my people when I see she ask a question there. Trust me. Yeah, man. So you don't know. Yeah, NPT album, it's not normal. It's an album where you can listen to. Man, you don't know. Girl would have mash up the place. Graduate. The girl them love the masterpiece. Raise the bar. Our world seem like what she talk about. You understand? Bad. Enough mad song depend it. Me I tell you people. I don't know normal, man. You don't know Key man did they see me on No Emotions. Album tough. Me I tell you. Yeah, man.
Yes. Okay, thank you. I appreciate you. You're the best.
Yeah, man, appreciate it.
And the first album in a dancehall where stream only for 4 days and still make the Billboard top 10. The first dancehall album. Yeah, man. So you know say, if you stream 4 days, regular 7 days, you know. But if you stream 4 days and still hit the Billboard, Mr. Shaggy, that's what I try. And I like say, yo, Shaggy did a great work, but I just try to show you. Shaggy do an album run, everything. See? And Shaggy never met the Billboard. And the man do a whole morning show, everything with the album, big promotion. And him still never make it. You understand? Alkaline does take 4 days and make it. You see it? Without that type of promotion with Shaggy do. You see it? Yeah, man. So people, you don't know, yo, this a go viral, people, may I tell you. That girl there, you know, she had do a little selfie and Alkaline go take a phone from her. Rotted. I know nothing normal, people. The place mash up. You understand? But I know the first Alkaline I take a fan phone. You see me? But that one here, trust me, people. Trust me. Like, yo, she could have all no sleep. May I tell you, that video there, she have put it up, she have pinned that on heavy social media where she have. Me I tell her Alkaline, yo, she not asleep. She just maybe I watch a video over and over. Me I tell her that. You hear people them a sing. Me tell you already, Alkaline music, him not have to sing nothing. Me I tell you that people. The you not have to sing, them a sing. All them do a take your phone and then just a sing. See? Yeah man, look how boss a go run across the field now. Yeah man, a mad thing man. Well, kinda easy. The man say a woofer phone. The man no member to bum. A craft man, you know, I tell people a craft man. You see it? Yeah man, a craft man.
Progress.
So look here now, you don't know social tube. You don't know one of vendetta you them listening people. Yeah man, big up social tube man. Him over TikTok there too. You see me? Yeah man. Instagram CNSP. Big him up. You see? But he must say a thing where I have to say Jaja. Here we go on.
Leave the Tacha to Vendetta.
Anybody know him? Tag him for me there. My youth. Here we go on man. Over the past month and a half, I try find something for torture cartel boat and for torture the plaza fans them. And I can't find none. Why? Because every day I get up, you torture the man them. So right about now, as an ex-Gaza man, we are torture the Gaza people them and the cartel. We just have to sit back and relax and say, alright, J Pro, go on do your thing.
I say it going on. You see me? Themselves a beat themselves, you see it? Yeah man, J Progress touch them man. I guess J Progress kinda sit back and realize, say, yo, why am I do this? Like this not make no sense. You see me? Yeah, him just wise up you know and say, yo, it even make no sense right now. You see me? Better me just start the truth and no feelings or hurt, you just hurt. You see it? Yeah man, I just one of them things there. Alkaline telling you already, you know. Everything are gonna make sense soon. Everything is a tick off, so tick off. Yeah man, everything that's a tick off man. Fool is the last to know, you see it?
Virgin, me can't find nothing for torture the people them board. Because as me look at J Progress with his foot near people them neck. So where you left with you know? We can't find nothing for torture the man them board. Because you take away everything. Every talking point J Progress, foot in your neck. Virgin, a fool job that you know. A vendetta people job that fear torture cartel and torture the Gaza fans. But because you know, figure out something recently. Yeah, me understand what I go on, me see what I go on. But anyway, J Progress, big up yourself. Foot in your neck. Yeah man, don't ease up man, go on to the torture. Torture never stop.
Me like Alkaline. Cause Alkaline do the song say pussy. But a long time all people have said that say all DJ the sing is pussy and the man just take it and put down one song. Like it. He might look alike. You know, look alike and get there squad.
Yo, that boy Fambo in the dog. Yo, brother, we care about that with the money now, bro. Bro, I think Netflix need to link Fambo. I think Fambo need him own comedy show. Netflix need to link Fambo, dog. Me I tell you, the man need to get him real reality show, bro. Man, I got too hard with the jokes, them fam. Me I tell you, bro. And the man, yo, boy, that easy. You think him don't know him, I do?
You are Alkaline, brother. 2 different father, same sister. 2 different uncle, same auntie.
The medicals do be selling the sky to the gospel. You do the things, me love.
Weird there. How she just do that like how she write the song for Alkaline people? No, man. No, wait, I forgot pull back that one there, people. I forgot pull back that one there, because that can't go so.
The medicals do be selling the sky to the gospel. You do the things me love. Me never see a girl when me love so much. Take off your black panty, baby, and make me go perfect touch. Bend over, baby, feed a cocky eye. Me slap up your body eye. And do whatever make you happy eye. Sit up on the cocky, did this sloppy eye.
Yes,
Yo, Jano dog. Jano. Yo, Alkaline music I gonna live on forever. Remember me tell you that. Yeah. But me no know, you know, me say a brother forward out in them. You know if it's a guzo man or is a shuzo man or me no know, you know, or voodoo. Me no know about him. I say something people.
people. Vice cartel. Come in front of the altar. Vice cartel. Come in front of the altar. We say that, we say this. What it profit? A man to gain the whole world. And in the end, him lose his own soul. Cartel. Me hear you brag. And I show off. When you poor people, them talk about you not chat to poor people. And poor people this and poor people that. Cartel. You was once poor. And God help you.
I guess him forgot, you know. I guess him forgot. You see me? Yeah, the man where you see me boy I come from, you know? Yeah, man. Always. But I saw the man they stay, you know. You see it? I saw the man they stay. Him can't do better. You see it? Yeah, man, him can't do better, man. But I guess, you know, time will tell. You know, or something maybe humble him, you know?
You have $1 where you can maintain your lifestyle and help your family, but you're not rich. Cartel, you don't value $1 billion US. You're not LeBron, you're not Steph Curry, you're not Jay-Z them. Cartel, I mean, never see them and they come out, man. No media. And I'm going to tell people much house them buy, how much this and that them buy. Cartel, you living in America. In America you live. No. You see? I'm going to tell you this. All of the great black men them in America, we never show off neither. Then bring them down to their feet. Yeah, man. Mike Tyson. Bill Cosby. Michael Jackson. Mike Tyson. And all of those. O.J. Simpson. When I tell them to have Kobe Bryant, me call a girl come hug him up and say this and that. So all you there, I brag and I show off about you have money, you live in America. And that me I come to tell you this morning, you're living in America. And Cartel, you don't have the money. You don't have the money. Cartel, you're not value $10 billion. You're not Bill Gates. Come on for social media and start brag and show off from poor people. Stop show up on poor people and tell people, Jamaican people in the world, because you're not show up on American. American don't see you unless you have a show. Yo, I'm out.
Judge. Well, you see, I always say this, you know. A man might have 10 houses, but him only can stay in one. A man might have 10 cars, with a one alone him can drive. A man might have 50 bedroom, but a one alone him can sleep in. You understand? That's why them thing there, what you not born with, yeah, soon after it will come like nothing. You understand? Yeah, man. So, whatever man do, you know, him can do. You see it? Yeah, man. But them thing there, as Bob Marley say, rich is his life. You understand? Yeah, man. Because at the end of the day, you know, when that day they will forward when a time for you go down in the dirt, you know. As a human. All them thing they left on land. You not carry nothing. Seem like how you forward empty, you go back empty. You not care about none. You understand? Yeah, man. That's why at the end of the day, yeah, man, life. That is riches. Life. Once you have life, anything possible. You understand? If Vice Cartel just did it in a prison, see, he would not enjoy all of this. You know why? Because him get freedom. And freedom is life. You understand? You can outside, you can go up on the beach, all of them things, they enjoy life. You see me? Yeah. So, all I'm have to do is just give thanks. But I just that type of brother there. You see me? I mean, you know, sometimes I say, yo, I'm not really used to nothing still. You see? So that's why I'm kind of react like that. Because I guess when other people talk, I broke them broke. You see me? Yeah, seem like how them say, when they say something, a bad mind, because it come like, Vice Cartel are the only rich dancehall artists, where much of them like other people talk about a rich artist in a dancehall, but them not say a bad mind them a get. Just Cartel a bad mind. You can't say nothing. You have to just watch what go on, but I just one of them things there, people. You don't know. I want media facts pan here. Big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah, man, respect for the support. You see it. As I say, people, stay safe out there. You understand? Yeah, man, stay safe out there, man. You see it. I remember say, yo, nothing can reach than life. You see it? Yeah, man. Remember one time when Sean Paul, I think Sean Paul he want, you see me, R.I.P. to him father, I think. You see me? And him father want some blood. Sean Paul rich. But tell me what. Him can't find the blood. Matter of money, all of them can't find it. You see me? Yeah, man. So I just saw it go in a life. You see?